We are now stuck in Dubai because of the heavy rains. Today with the lightning and thunderstorm, raining started. Now it's officially announces the end of the summer, beginning of the winter. From today onwards, this weather will be cool. See, big traffic queues all over the Dubai, and also see water gathering on roads. Very difficult to move forward. People can't see their side mirrors properly, and also windscreen. Road is not visible. So these big rains. No, no chance. Now I am sitting on taxi 57 minutes. To use our Wi-Fi full time. See, water is gathering in the roads. Maybe flooding. Now little bit moving because see this right. Some people going to try to go Dragon Mart. Then again some
again too
much problem traffic. After passing it's okay.
Dragon Mart too much traffic. Go way international
City
inside. Evening time mall damage.
How long here you been? Dubai when you joined?
2 years.
2 years.
15 month I'm bike rider. International City restaurant. W04 Russia cluster. Pakistani restaurant. Go Mardaf, go Silicon, order all area. Location, but Marina, yeah, too much.
Very difficult, in summer. Riding bikes is in summer is very difficult. One time you pass this vehicle driving license.
First time I'm 12 year Pakistan
driving. But you are you look young.
My age is 28.
28. That means from 16 you driving.
No, I'm joining no lessons Pakistani. I'm 60 age, 70 age. I'm driving this bus. Small, same car.
Okay. All going international city. Full traffic. Welcome to Taciturn Walker. This is how you can see your side mirror. Nothing can Visible.
Bike rider.
Mm.
Oh,
Oh. See long queues of vehicles. They are way to home. All roads are blocked.
all areas you check. All
Maybe
the-
Saja people going today
Ah.
night 10, 11 home. Who working Dubai, no? Normal days they are also waiting 2-3 hours. Maybe today 6-5 hours. See residential buildings. No, people enjoying in their home. They enjoy the rain. But we are suffering. After going
Not
home, we
village,
are.
bro. All night raining here. Not village. You enjoy go.
Oh, now too much.
Oh, too much. Too much vapor
Yeah.
water raining too much.
Yeah.
Light full.
Mm.
Be careful.
Yes, yes. See that guy use hazard light.
Go first right. Nardeep.
Yes, yes. I know now.
Not traffic. Only road clear.
Yes, but other side traffic. Rainy day in Dubai. Now we are heading to city center. Where this city center? We will keep this lane. Now rain is little bit lighter than 10 minutes ago. It's good. Oh. Road Consign Road. You have to go straight this line, no, this lane, then left, color light left.
Right, this left.
No, no, not this. We will go
Go
straight.
straight,
Yeah.
right, left.
Yeah.
Yes.
Accident happened. Police came. We will continue this lane. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Because some people are afraid to break this kind of situation. And Dubai municipality emergency vehicle. Now Dubai all emergency services are on ready. We'll use straight. We'll go. Because some people not using indicator. Then suddenly they shift.
Not use.
Yeah. Now 400 fine, no? For not using indicator, 400. Yes.
Lane change 400.
Yes.
This is left hand.
Yeah. This one we will continue this.
But stopping. We are going. Not use.
Now use.
Indicator. Not.
He remember I have indicator in my car. Now lights are open. We are moving. Still raining. We are now in mid of this area. Now rain is almost stopped, but lighting still there.